Hi, we are doing trigonometrical ratio. This is a figure which is given. AD is perpendicular to BC, AC is 26, CD is 10. This whole BC is 42, so DB will be 32, and DAC is X and B is Y. Find cot X, right? To find cot X, what we will do, cot X is 1 by tan X reciprocal. So what is tan X? Tightly pulled back, that is perpendicular by base. So cot will be base by perpendicular. Now here, what is the base for this X? What is the base for this X? It's AD, right? So AD. And what is the perpendicular? That is CD. AD we don't know, so we will apply Pythagoras theorem over here. Pythagoras theorem and get AD, right? That is AD square is equal to 26 square minus 10 square. Fine. That is 676 minus 100. 576. So AD will be square root of 576. That will become 24. So what will be cot X? Cot X will be AD, that is 24, by CD, that is 10. That is 12 by 5. Fine. Now the second one. Now I'll tell you in second one way is finding the hypotenuse AB with the help of Pythagoras theorem, because AD we got here, that is 24, right? And putting the value of sine y and tan y. Sine y is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Like that we will do. Another way which I am showing you here is 1 by sine square is cosec square y, because 1 by sine is cosec y reciprocal and 1 by tan is cot square y. Fine. Okay. Now cosec is what? Cosec is x by p the whole square. And what is cot square? B by p whole square. That is h square by p square minus b square by p square. I can take p square as LCM. That will become h square minus b square. And by Pythagoras theorem, h square minus b square, that is hypotenuse square में से base square minus करेंगे, we will get perpendicular square. So what we got, perpendicular square by perpendicular square, that is 1. So what is this answer? This is 1. One way is this. Other way is you find the value of the, I'll show you the figure, AB. Fine, with the Pythagoras theorem, and sine y is AD by DB and tan y is AD by DB, tan y is AD by DV, and sine y is AD by AB, and get the values. Other way is this way. Now the third one is find 6 by cos x minus 5 by cos y plus 8 tan y. अभी tan cos we have to find y का. So first what we will do, we will find the AB. What will be AB? AB square is the figure. AB square is AD square plus DB square, right? So AB square is AD square plus DB square. That is 24 का square plus 32 square. which will come out as 24 square we saw 576 because 576 को स्क्वायर रूट किया था तो 24 आया था प्लस 1024 that is 1600 which is a, so AB is square root of 1600 AB. Okay, so AB is 40. Now what we will find, cos, पहले cos x find out करते हैं. cos x is b by h. So now look at the figure. Cos x, what will be the base for this? AD, that is 24, and hypotenuse is 26. So this will become 24 by 26, right? So let's write down. This is 24 by 26, that is 12 by 13. Now we will find cos y. What is cos y? Again, cos y, let's see up. Cos y is BD by AB. AB we found 40 right now, right? So this will become 32 by 40, right? This will become 4 and this will become 5. 8 से divide करेंगे. फिर tan y निकालना है. Tan y is P by B. What was the perpendicular? Look here again in the figure. Tan y, इसका perpendicular क्या होगा? ये होगा क्योंकि ये इसका base है. This DB is the base and perpendicular is AD, right? And base is DB. So what it will be? Tan y will be 24 by 32. That is 3 by 4. Fine. Now we will substitute the value. Substitute the value over here. So 6 by 12 by 13 minus 5 by 4 by 5 plus 8 into 3 by 4. So this will become 6 divided by, so 13 by 12. ये reciprocate हो जाएगा नीचे वाला because it is divide. Same way 5 into by 4 and this will become 3 2s are 6. So this will become, you can cancel this 3. Fine. So what it will become? This is 12, sorry. So this will become 2. So 13 by 2 minus 25 by 4 minus 6. The LCM will become 4. 13 into 2, 26 minus 25 into plus, this was plus 24. This will become 26 minus 25 plus 24. So this will become 25 by 4. So this is the answer for this. So this is how you solve it, get the values of all the 3 sides of the triangle, that is perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, and put it in the trigonometrical ratios and get the value.